Ser, descripción. The verb we'll look at in this lesson is ser, to be in Spanish. In English, when you conjugate it, I am, you are, she is, we are, y'all are, and they are. If this verb were regular in Spanish, we would conjugate it as so, ses, se, semos, seis, and sen. It's not regular, however, so when we conjugate it, I am will be soy, you are, eres, she is, es, we are, somos, y'all are, sois, and they are, son. So you can see ser is an irregular verb. It means to be, or I am, you are, she is, we are, y'all are, and they are. Let's look at different times where this verb would be used. We'll use ser when we're describing something or someone, defining someone's profession, your origin, your nationality, or the time. Let's look at some examples. Descripción. Bob es inteligente. Bob is intelligent. Bob is tall, good, bald. You can see then when we're describing somebody, their physical attributes or their personality, we're going to use the verb ser, es. The same goes for your profession. For example, Bob es doctor. Bob is a doctor. Notice in English we would say Bob is a doctor. In Spanish we don't do that. They just say Bob es doctor. Another example of a profession, Bob es profesor. Bob is a professor. Bob is a teacher. Bob es político. Bob is a politician, a business person, etc. So you can see with profesión and descripción, you're going to use ser. Another example, when you're describing your origin, where you're from, Bob es de Estados Unidos. Bob is from the United States, Cuba, Mexico, Spain. Your origin is going to be ser. Similar to that will be your nationality. Bob es español. Bob is Spanish, Mexican, Cuban, United Statesian. This is how you would say where you're from or what your nationality is if you're coming from the United States. Soy estadounidense. I am a United Statesian. I'm from the United States of America. And time, we're also going to use ser. For example, es la una. It's 1 o'clock. Other times include es la 1:05. It's 1:05. It's 1:15. It's 1:30. The plurals for time, anytime after 2 o'clock, we'll use son las dos. Literally, they are 2. Son las 2:10. Son las 2 de la tarde. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Son las 10 de la noche. It's 10 o'clock in the evening. So these are 5 situations in which you'll use the verb ser. Descripción, profesión, origen, nacionalidad, y la hora. Conjugation of the verb ser again. Soy, eres, es. I am, you are, she is. Somos, sois, son. We are, y'all are, and they are. If someone asks you where are you from, you would say soy de Estados Unidos if you're coming from the United States of America. De donde eres is an example of eres used in a sentence we've seen previously. De donde eres, from where are you? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Somos norteamericanos, we're North Americans. Sois estudiantes. Son las 2 de la tarde. These are some examples of how you would use each one of these in the conjugation in a sentence. So far in this lesson, we've looked at ser as being a verb, ser meaning to be. Ser can also be a noun, which is a being. For example, Bob es un ser humano. Bob is a human being. In this case, ser is the noun being. Su es un ser humano. Su is a human being. Somos seres humanos. We are human beings. I wanted to point that out to you in this lesson, that ser can be both a noun and a verb, and how to use both of them in a sentence. To finish the lesson, ser is a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means to be. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, and son. I am, you are, she is, we are, y'all are, and they are. That's both the conjugation and what it means. And there are 5 situations in which you would typically use ser. One is describing yourself, your profession, your origin, your nationality, and the time. That's our lesson for today. Ser, descripción.